Welcome and let's talk about Cronos CRO coin. This is a serious message to CRO holders. Now 2022 is over. Yes, CRO did well in 2022, ending the year on a positive side. Remember earlier, that was about June, July 2022. This coin CRO was actually trading around 5 cents. But we also, when CRO hit a massive increase in price and even hit about 96 cents, almost $1. Now that massive increase is going to repeat in 2023. Definitely, so many experts believe that if Bitcoin can hit back at its all-time price of over $67,000, so many coins will be hitting back at their all-time also. Now, CRO, of course, we believe that 2023 we might be seeing BTC hitting about $40,000 to $60,000. And I also believe, of course, CRO Cronos is definitely going to hit almost 50 cents to $1 in 2023. Even the founders of CRO, which is Crypto.com, have also promised its holder that in 2023 they are going to do everything possible to help Cronos CRO coin, their local coin, to hit a massive increase in price. Let's say 2023, of course, they're also going to focus on burning and getting more partnership for CRO coin. They believe the holders, they're thanking the holders for supporting them in the year 2022. But that promise is 2023 is going to be more better year than 2022. And I hope that CRO in 2023 will definitely hit a massive increase in price. And let's hope, my target is if they can really work hard to make sure this coin hit back at it all time, or let's say we're hitting $1 in 2023. I think a lot of holders will be making a lot of money, especially those who will be investing on CRO right now. But in case you want to invest on CRO, remember to invest what you can afford to lose, because this is crypto industry where anything can happen. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Now, 2022, CRO actually partner with a lot of sports companies. They partner with so many sports companies and teams, and you saw that we discovered that this partnership have actually helped this CRO coin. Crypto.com also were part of the World Cup Qatar 2022 sponsor, and I believe that in 2023 we are going to see more partnership coming in, and that will definitely help this coin to really increase in price. But please remember, even if you want to buy and hold this coin, invest what you can afford to lose. Once again, thank you for stopping by.